Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Smart Money Concept by LuxAlgo. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the simple process of finding the Smart Money Concepts tool inside LuxAlgo and opening it on your chart. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. This is a straightforward setup, and by the end you should know exactly where to go and what to click. To begin, open LuxAlgo in your browser. Once the site loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the main platform page. Starting from the home page helps ensure that the navigation matches what you see in this guide. Next, move your attention to the top right area of the screen and click on Library. This section is where LuxAlgo organizes its available tools, indicators, and resources. If you're looking for a specific feature and don't want to browse manually, the library is the right place to start. After opening the library, click into the search field and type Smart Money Concepts. Be sure to enter the phrase clearly so the platform can bring up the most relevant result. Searching directly is usually the fastest way to locate a tool, especially if the library contains a large number of entries. Once the search results appear, look for Smart Money Concepts in the list. Take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct item. Matching the exact name helps avoid opening a similar but different tool by mistake. When you found it, click on Smart Money Concepts. This will open the tools page where you can review the option and move toward enabling it. At this stage, you're essentially one step away from adding it to your workspace. From there, click on Get Access. This button is typically used to unlock or enable the tool for your account or workspace. Depending on your setup, the page may take a moment to update, so give it a second if needed. Finally, click on Use on Chart. This is the action that places the Smart Money Concepts tool onto your chart so you can begin working with it directly. Once it opens, you should be able to view it within your chart environment and continue with your analysis from there. And that's it. You've successfully located Smart Money Concepts in LuxAlgo, accessed it, and opened it on your chart. If anything doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or returning to the library and repeating the search carefully. Thanks for following along, and we hope this made the process clear and easy to complete.